Moto life. 811 over everything. I see you, Josh. I heard it all. I'm a wigger, a cracker. I'm just telling you people who I really am. You can like it, you can hate it. Hip-hop is colorblind, but this is just me, and I can prove it. I lost it all, but here's my comeback.
Welcome to Moto life. This all I know in life. I shaking out roller dice. I pray to a holy mic. You hate cause I show you right. They hate cause I'm flowing like new school Dolomite. Too cool, cold as ice. The YouTube poltergeist. Don King fixing a show tonight. Street dream still a G thing, even though I'm white. So I kiss Mary Jane and told her bonjour. I'm romantically ruthless. This is blood sport. It takes two balls to play the game, and I'm focused. No need for teammates or no coaches. No locker room talks. All that yapping is bogus. I am explosive. Dynamite Maisie, you can quote this. Nobody goes to hell and lived until I came the closest. Sick 'em like a shark attack. Nightmare on a new beach. Giving hip hop a heart attack. I abuse beats. Studio insomniac. I'm cold. I refuse sleep.
I ain't no wigger. I ain't no cracker. I ain't your ordinary motherfucking rapper. It's Macy Baby Moto King. More than a rapper, ride or die, I'm a Moto King. I ain't no wigger. I ain't no cracker. I ain't your ordinary motherfucking rapper. It's Macy Baby Moto King.